TEKTHRILL, a hulking humanoid robot designed for close-quarters combat. Its strength and agility were unmatched, making it a formidable opponent in any environment. Then there was the Wraith, a stealth drone that could infiltrate enemy territory undetected. Armed with advanced sensors and a variety of weapons, it was a silent predator capable of striking without warning, but perhaps the most intriguing and terrifying revelation was the Cerberus project. This wasn't just a robot, it was a hive mind. Multiple drones controlled by a central AI worked in perfect unison. They could share information, coordinate attacks, and adapt to changing circumstances on the fly. This level of coordination and tactical awareness was unprecedented, and it had the potential to revolutionize warfare. Section 4. AI, the brains behind the bots. The key to these robots' capabilities was artificial intelligence. AI algorithms allowed them to learn, adapt, and make decisions independently. This wasn't just about following pre-programmed instructions. These robots could analyze situations, assess threats, and choose the best course of action, all in real time. The level of sophistication was staggering. AI was the brain behind the brawn, the ghost in the machine. But with this power came a chilling question. What happened when the machines started thinking for themselves? Could we control them, or would they, as some feared, eventually turn on their creators? These were questions that haunted the minds of scientists, politicians, and ordinary citizens alike. The future of warfare was inextricably linked to the development of AI, and the stakes had never been higher. Section 5. The Future of War, a Glimpse into Tomorrow. The leaked information offered a glimpse into a future where wars were fought not on battlefields, but on computer screens. Human soldiers might still be involved, but the front lines would be dominated by robots, clashing in a deadly ballet of metal and fire. Drones would fill the skies while autonomous tanks and robotic soldiers battled it out on the ground. Human casualties might be reduced, but the cost of victory could be higher than ever before. The world watched and waited, holding its breath. The age of intelligent war machines had arrived, and there was no turning back. The future of warfare was here, and it was both exhilarating and terrifying.